Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. It is 6:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, December 3rd. So here's another interesting article. A lot of people, a lot of chatter about Ethereum about to go parabolic against Bitcoin as analysts weigh BTC bear case. I would definitely say BTC is definitely in a bear case, listening to some retailers. So some have been using this pair here, Ethereum against Bitcoin, publicly charting on, so this article is again at Cointracking.info. So they've been using this pair here, been waiting and publicly charting Ethereum against Bitcoin on the big picture for years now, and we're finally here. Ethereum is starting to go in a parabolic mode, and see how things crazy can get. I've seen this personally before. Ethereum against Bitcoin is 0.085, highest since a brief spike in May this year. Beyond that, yeah, it was only 2018 stands in the way of a new all-time high this year. Nonetheless, a significantly higher ceiling of up to 0.157 on some exchanges. US dollar terms, this picture is similarly promising. Either have set new records in early November and saying broadly within 20% of 5,000 since 5,000 since. Theory should be in part where if strength continues and we see that strength run based on structure, separate comments as well. So that's an interesting thought about using Ethereum against Bitcoin. Several weeks underwhelming. Price performance analysts are beginning to give more credence to bearish bases. Some of the explanation: oil, OI excluding CME and prep of near all-time highs in USD and Bitcoin terms. Regime of positive premium funding. Long-short ratio now with no reset. Funds sitting huge on large UPNL for 2021, and that's a macro economy, and so on and so forth. I'll let you read this article here. Let me just go into my MotiveWave here and let me show you what we've got here. So let me pull up both of these, or three pairs in fact. Do the daily. So this is again MotiveWave Ethereum against Bitcoin. Okay, we should see that. Okay, so I'm using Kraken data. So we want US Ethereum against that right there, XBT. Okay, so that's the same. So let's check out this on a daily time frame. Also, I'll bring up a couple of other pairs as well. So Ethereum against USD and Ethereum against, BTC against USD. I will tell you, there are altcoins that are clearly outperforming. So on a daily basis for Ethereum, what I have said before, since July, low point here, the reversal, July 21st, we've got here the coin for Ethereum in US dollar, 1,800, and it's kind of peaked lately at $4,600. So that's if I did my math, that's about a 2.5 time return over that same time period. Here, what we've got is July 21st again, 30,000 for Bitcoin, peaking at 68,000 and declining since. Okay, so now it's at 53,000. So for the last, between, I guess here, the peak, November 7th, for the last, let's say, close to a month, Ethereum is, well, I wouldn't call it outperforming. You might be evening out. That's why a lot of these articles I find are kind of a joke. Because it's not really, like, it doesn't really say a lot. Here you've got, they're saying, so they're saying that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. I wouldn't say it's quite like that. I would just say Ethereum is stable. Like it's in a range bound. And well, at least for the last month, but Bitcoin is definitely falling a lot lower against Bitcoin. But as I said, there are other coins out there that are performing much better. Got many other videos I'm posting on that. But this notion of Ethereum against Bitcoin, I don't know what this is saying. Right here you got April to, I see what they're saying. Okay, so from April 2021 to May 13th, there was where Ethereum was outperforming Bitcoin, yes. And we have the same thing here starting October 20th to here. And then we have this starting to happen, a little bit of a pullback for the last few days. So I don't know why this is significant. I think it's just the wrong way to look at crypto, because I've got coins that perform 10 times, 8 times, 7 times better. I mean, that's what I've been posting the last couple of days now on just this YouTube channel. And I don't know why people get excited about it. But anyways, whatever. But at the end of the day, as I said, I post a lot on my private chat server. Go there for free, quantlabs.info. And also, we've got here our contact for our daily newsletter. You can get on that and provide all your name and email, all that. We don't resell your info. So if you want to learn more what I do and outperform everybody, regardless of these so-called professionals, traders, plus not only that, we've got a better, you look at the performance of these coins for the last same time period. Oops, sorry, no, we don't want that one. We want our coin, like our third-party Cointracking.info. Okay, so this is my third-party performance. You can clearly see, since around the same time period, I've gone basically 2.5 times since the same time period. So why would you want to listen to these so-called professional people when they're not getting the same performance I am? And that's verified. So you got the info where to go if you want to learn more. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.